So as you guys saw, I said we were gonna do some rock lights. So let's go ahead. Let's jump in the old Duramax, pull that onto the driveway, start pulling those wheel wells out. So let's go ahead, let's grab some tools, and then we're gonna go ahead and pull out these fenders and see what it takes to install those rock lights. Alrighty guys, so as you guys saw, we did get all the tools, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're going to unbolt the Torx spits and the 7mm bolts to pull off these fender wells, and we're going to go ahead and put those rock lights in. As you guys saw, we were having trouble pulling out this right rear fender right here, but we got him out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to pre-drill all the holes, run the lights, mount them into the fenders. But I don't remember the brand of the rock lights. I used them on my old truck, and we just pulled them off, so we're going to go ahead and throw them back in on these wheel wells to put into this truck. We went ahead and we bolted up all of the rock lights into the wheel wells like this, and they're all wired, so we're ready to go ahead and start installing them. So we placed them by each wheel well to go ahead and put them in. Alrighty guys, so we finished up and we put these wheel wells back in right here. We with the rock lights. So our buddy's jumping in and he's already started on the wiring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump underneath and wrap all the wiring up under there and run it to the front so we can run into that wiring harness. But it is getting late on us, so that's why if we miss a couple steps and stuff like that, that's why, because we're trying to finish this up before it gets too late. we finished up wrapping up all that wiring, so the rock lights are in and they do look pretty good. So we'll go ahead and we'll show you guys right now what they look like. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, they do look really good, but it did get really late on us. So what we're going to do is we're going to back the truck out into the field where it is dark so we can show you guys how they look without the light pollution.
Should you? Yeah.
A wrap for today's video. The Wilwell rock lights turned out amazing, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna hit the town with some of our buddies, go get a bite to eat. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe. Peace.